Do you like your book, Julian? You like books. You're a little nerd already. Who got you this book anyway? Did this come from your grandma or your grandpa? Or did this come from Auntie Laura? I don't remember who got us this book. Oh, we have to set it up again, huh? Here. There you go. You like looking at all the babies in this book, don't you? You turn the page? You're good at that. Happy reading, Julian.